Well, when this box arrives, I know it is time for Ipsy unboxing, and my June box just arrived today. We have the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So let's get to unboxing, shall we? And if you notice that I have two different color eyeshadow looks going on here, you're not going crazy. I had just got done filming the Hip Dot Girl Scout. That video will be up soon, and I wanted to try both palettes out, so that's what's happening with the eye look right now. But yes, let's get into it. I do get Ipsy every month. It is gifted to me with no obligation to do a video. We're gonna start with the Glam Bag, and at the end of the video, I will give you the monetary value of each of the bags. It's $13, and you get 5 deluxe samples. Once in a while, though, we do get a full size. But there was 3 different options for the color of bag that you could get. I got the yellow, and it has a cute little orange slice here. And just to, plug a future video, I will be posting a video on different ways you can reuse your Ipsy bags. So if you are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And just double check that you're subscribed. I've heard some other YouTubers talking about how that's going on again every once in a while. It happens. And it's yellow with a purple zipper and some pink detail, and it has kind of the holes in it so you can see through it. We have a Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Good. Yes, this is, let's see, let me take this out. It comes in that package here. Oh, cute. I love minis. They're just so cute. So this one is a little bit smaller than the minis that you can purchase. The mini that you can purchase has an $18 value, but again, this one is a little bit smaller, and it's made in Italy. Fancy. They are cruelty-free, and I promise you, I say this a lot, but I promise you, this is for real this time. This month, I will be putting up a ranking of the palettes from Ipsy and a review of makeup products and skincare. So I promise this is the month. Okay, next, I'm telling you, I have said it before, if you subscribe to Ipsy, or probably most of the subscription services, you might not, unless you have a specific one you want to try, you might not ever have to buy another mascara. This is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. And I do have other mascaras open that I'm trying right now, so I'm not going to open this one. But this is, again, a little bit smaller than the mini that you can purchase. The mini you can purchase is $15. Bad Habit, never tried anything from them. Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. Ooh. This is made in the US with imported and domestic parts. Ooh, that does smell good. Yep. I think that they're correct. This will wake you up because it's pretty minty. Well, and it looks like it has some shimmer. I mean, you're going to wash it off, but it does have some shimmer. And yeah, that is, it's not like overpowering, but it is strong. So if you are sensitive to scents, just be aware. It is a pretty strong mint, so I think it is correct. It will wake you up. I like it, but if you are sensitive. So you can buy the mini on their website. The mini on their site is 1 fluid ounce, and just to give you an idea, this is a half a fluid ounce. It's $8 on their website. The mini Ulta has the full size, and the full size is 5 ounces, and it's actually on sale right now. I don't know how long it'll last. We have, Dew of the Gods, Froze Mini Iced Rose Body Scrub. Okay. It says that this is blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Okay, I've never tried anything from them. They do have the expiration date on it. I like that when products do that. Oh, okay. This is, okay, so it says scrub me all over with whatever pressure feels right. Try me dry outside of a shower for deep exfoliation. Oh, okay, here's a hint. Our mini is the perfect exfoliant hand scrub. Okay, well, I do need to do some exfoliant because I got a bunch of self tanners that I want to try. So nice. This is made in China, and the full size, this is 30 grams. The full size of this is 150 grams, and that retails for $22. I am really interested in this. Yeah, I'll definitely be trying that one out. Well, I'm going to try them all out, but that's cool. That reminds me, seeing the colors, the theme, it says right here, is show your colors. Summer's coming in hot. Turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades that show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hue as unique as you. Summer state of mind. Savor every moment, starting with your beauty looks. Pops of color, fruit-inspired details, styles that keep you feeling and looking cool. Ah, I like that. Okay. And then we have a brush. This is by LaRouche. This is the LR105 Short Shadow Brush. And here is what that looks like. This has a retail value of $28. They do have 3 different shade or colors available on their site, so don't know if that would be, if you'd always get the gray in your Ipsy or not, but I have tried their brushes and I do really like them. Personally, I wouldn't spend the money for them because I guess I'm kind of cheap in that way, but I love getting them because I do think that they're good brushes. That is the Ipsy Glam Bag, the base bag. What do you think of it so far? Before I let you know the value of it, what do you think? And before we get to the Glam Bag Plus, I did just want to say I do once in a while, as part of the Ipsy Open Studio program, we do get some extras, and this month we did get some. This is from Refreshments. That is a separate line, which I was meant to get it out by the customizations, a whole video about Refreshments, but just with everything going on in the world, the news, I kind of got sidetracked and behind in my filming schedule. But anyway, so this is the Dazzling 5-blade razor. You can get Refreshment products even if you are not an Ipsy member, and you can, like they have, it's clean skincare, and they have shower gel and shave gel, shampoo and conditioner. So the things that I really like from them that I've tried is the deodorant. It is a clean aluminum free deodorant. Really like that. And I have tried the razor set. Love it. Before this, not to sound like one of those people that's like, I love everything, you know, but before this, I had only tried disposable razors in my life. And this was like the first time that I ever tried, you know, one of these that you replace the cartridge. And I don't know if it's just this particular one or if it's just in general, the difference between these razors and disposables. Okay, there's a difference. I didn't think there was. I'm here to tell you, in my opinion, there is. Glam Bag Plus. Yay, this is $28 and you get 5 samples. I love this bag. Here again, I'm doing that whole I love thing, but my favorite treat, well, I shouldn't say favorite, one of my favorite treats growing up was popsicles. I would always be like asking my mom if I can have one more popsicle, one more. So I really like anything with popsicle designs. So of course I like this bag. So it's yellow with pink popsicles, and then we have a purple drawstring. The plus bags are usually always a cotton feeling one and drawstrings, and usually the plus or the base bags are zippered bags. All right, let me take out everything that we got in here to see what is in here. Hey, I see right off the bat we have a palette. I don't need another palette, but I'm always excited to try another palette. Am I the only one? Or what is your favorite makeup category that you feel like you don't need anymore, but you're always drawn to looking at? Mine would probably be eyeshadow palettes or lipsticks. Ooh, okay, so this is Ciate London and Cranberry. It's 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Here is what the colors look like. This has a retail value of $22 and they are cruelty free. Unless you want to try the Ciate London formula, if you got this palette, I forget what month this was, but if you got this palette, I would say probably you could pick something else for your choice if you wanted to. I mean, you still might get it, but because they're kind of giving me the same vibes. I mean, this one is a little bit more berry. I will do a look, probably maybe in a get ready with me here, or for sure over on the TikTok or the Instagram. But very pretty. I don't think I've tried any of their formulas as far as eyeshadows. I've tried their highlighters and powders, but I don't think I've tried their shadows. So I don't know. Have you? What do you think of them? So that was on the spoilers. This was on the spoilers too. This is Dr. Zenovia, and this says it's hormone dermatology, hyaluronic acid and peptide serum, firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin. They are cruelty-free. This is gluten-free, artificial color-free, reduced plastics, no petroleum, mineral oil, and like no parabens, phthalates, all that kind of stuff. And this has a retail value of $72. Yeah, it's glass jar. This sounds like a plastic, but the jar itself looks glass, and it's a pump. Cleansing and toning, you pump the serum onto fingertips and apply onto face and neck. So it is a clear serum. I don't smell any scent, and it feels very hydrating. It's what it looks like blended in. So it looks like, we'll see when it dries, but it kind of looks like it maybe will give a dewy finish if you use it underneath your makeup. Feels a little tacky right now, but we will see how that goes. Next we have some minis. They're so cute. This is Hip Dot Mini Sponges. These retail for $18. So here is the size of them. So good for like getting into doing concealer, or like going in around your nose is what I kind of like these for. And I haven't ever tried Hip Dot minis, but I have used mini sponges once in a while to like just do a quick eyeshadow look, or if I have like liquid eyeshadows, just to kind of swipe it on and then blend it out with little sponges. Right, Dr. Brandt, they are pricey. Unfortunately, they're not cruelty free, so that is a bummer. This is the triple antioxidant face cream, and you use this on a cleansed skin, AM and PM. Oh, did I say where this was made? No, I didn't. This one, the Dr. Zenovia, is made in the US. The sponges are made in China. And this Dr. Brandt, I'm pretty sure, made in the US. I thought they were made in the US. So this bad boy here, that size, is a $64 value. It is 1.7 ounce. We will put it on the other side. So it is your typical white moisturizer cream. It just kind of has that like overall clean, kind of like almost like a milky scent. Hopefully I'm describing that right. It's lightweight. It's not overpowering. Here's what it looks like, a little bit blended in. It does have a little bit, I feel like most moisturizers or creams, when you put them on, kind of has that little bit of shimmer to it. The serum now, it's just a couple spots are a little sticky, but now it's not sticky anymore. And now that it has dried down, I mean, I feel like it looks clean and bright, kind of brighter there, but that kind of dewiness looks like it's dried down a little bit. And this is Bella and Argent. I think we've gotten some other brushes before. This is the Tinted Lip Balm. For Wednesday's Pink is the color, and this is made in China. They are cruelty-free. Okay, it's not magnetic. So here's what it looks like. There is what the tint of it is. I'm going to wipe off my lipstick, add this up, and we'll come back. I'll show you what this looks like on, and we'll talk the money. This, by the way, the cream is drying down. It's not shiny or anything like that, and it's not sticky. So what is your favorite summertime treat? That is hard to pick just one. I just saw on a commercial for the Dairy Queen Blizzards. Oh, that dirt pie, dirt cake one, that looks so good. I am going to have to go there soon because I keep seeing that commercial. But yeah, what's your favorite treat? All right, let's see how this tinted lip balm. That feels good. My lips are a little sore because I have been testing out, taking off and on lipsticks. Not quite as hydrating as like a lip oil, but it is hydrating and creamy. Tint of pink. Let's talk money, shall we? All right, add them up. Now for the base bag, what I do is I divide out how much it would be with what the retail is. So with the, you know, how it divides out in like the decimals and stuff, sometimes it's an average, or I have to round up or whatever. But so the cost of the glam bag, again, is $13, and the estimated value of my bag is $49.77. So I think that's pretty good. Now on to the Glam Bag Plus. Again, this is a $28 cost, and the value of my bag, any guesses? Any guesses? It is $193. So again, I'd say that's pretty good. If you aren't a huge fan of skincare, you might be disappointed. I personally like a lot of skincare because, you know, even though I have things at work, I feel like we're always looking for the next thing. Like, what if this is better? Anyone else? What do you think? I'd love to know your thoughts down below. And I forgot if I said my name is Stacy. If I didn't, hi. I hope that you will stick around and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see what other spoilers that you could possibly get in your June glam bag, you can click on this video here. And if you want to see the spoilers for the Glam Bag Plus, this video. I hope you have a good day, and I hope to see you back here. Thanks. Bye.